Hi there, I'm Alina Z, raw vegan chef and health coach, and today I'm showing you my Z tips to creating witch finger cookies. Z tip number 1, we're going to process everything instead of cutting ourselves in a food processor. We are going to use all raw ingredients, so there is no baking. It's awesome. 1 cup of almonds, really high in vitamin E, calcium, great for the kids and for you, for the kid and you. I have great brain food, walnuts, about a cup of them. They actually look like a little brain, and they have tons of anti-inflammatory and brain boosting omega-3s. Then I have all natural sugar from 1 cup, brought to you by 1 cup of dates. I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then about 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. And to finish it off, you know, it's Halloween, we want a little chocolate, a little naughtiness, about 1 tablespoon of cacao. And we're going to let the food processor do all the work for us. Use an S blade in your food processor, so you can form the witch fingers by your hand. And this is really great for kids to do. You can do it together with them. So you just form little long shapes like a finger would be. And then my Z tip is to use little slivers of almonds, and that will be your fingernail. You know, you can make them as thin as you want. My Z tip for making some blood is taking goji berries. They're really high antioxidants and they have a little bit of bitterness to them. So we're soaking them first, and then you can like lay them out and make it all gross looking because it's Halloween. But it's healthy and delicious inside. So enjoy. Cheers to your health with a healthy and happy Halloween.